Hello everyone, Kirti here. Once I had a chance to visit a school for a 3-day training program with two other trainers along with me. This was a very simple school, but something which surprised me there was when the principal of that school told me that the students were divided according to their performance. That means three divisions A, B, C were excellent, average, and poor students. This was the first time which I've heard it in my life that the divisions are being done according to the children's caliber. And I was being assigned with the third batch, which, according to the school, was students or the set of students with poor caliber. I was being instructed by the authorities that I have to completely focus on making them learn grammar and other English portions which are very much required for them to pass their subject, as they were the +1 students. They have to clear their English exam and get into their 12th standard. I was really surprised before I could say a yes, because the teachers those who have been teaching them for quite a long years, if they cannot get them past their subject, how would I do it within 3 days? But still, I had a smile on my face and I thought, let me just see what we can do from our side. I entered the class for the first day session. I could see that the students were staring at me like an alien with a duster and a marker, along with speaking in English to them. And when I asked them, what they said is that, oh yes, we know that there is another person who has come to teach us grammar and so things in English, and also advise us that they have to learn really well, they have to study well, and with a lot of other advices. Though I started my session with a self-introduction and basic grammar or some interesting pronunciations in English, I could find that there was nothing which was happening special in my session, when I could find the children were really not enjoying it at all. I left the class after my first day session with the thought that, am I doing justice to what I am doing for the kids there? I was confused. Am I being an honest trainer, which I've been doing for quite a long time by teaching all this what the authorities have asked me to do? And I could hear my inner voice telling me, no, it's not the right thing what I'm doing. So I decided that I'm going to do something where I can get my kids to at least love the language English initially, and make them do something in their life which could actually make them feel that they are really great. So with that thought, on the second day I went to the session. We started our sessions with some interesting facts about English, the importance of English, some funny pronunciation words which they might have not heard much. And we did have some casual talks to know something about them personally, where I was really shocked to hear a few of the students came and told me that the students of that particular division were considered as useless things or useless students in the school, who would have nothing to do for the school, and the authorities actually doubt whether they would be mark a bad impression about the school when their results would be declared. I could understand what they were feeling, but I was happy that on the second day when I was leaving, I was one among them. They were feeling so comfortable with me to share things, and I did tell them that there is an event which we are planning on the third day of our training, where it's a cultural event with all the students together, where I wanted them to do something really well, which could prove or which could let others know that they are superb. And they were all excited. Few of them came to me personally and they told me that they want to do something different, and they want to do something individually, but not a singing or a dancing performance. So then I had only one thing to tell them, that try to speak in front of the crowd, especially in English, which would definitely shock the entire people in the school. So a couple of them were okay with it, but I had two of my students, those who really wanted to explore this platform, but they were not confident at all, maybe because of the experience that they had in their life about us. So then I had to let them know, I have to tell them that there is nothing much, it's just a small thing which they are doing and nothing to worry at all. I still remember the day when the concerned authorities came up and screwed me out terribly by telling me that why did I include these students for this event. We are simply wasting our time, and we just need to utilize this time a day to get them clear their grammar and other English part so that they could perform well in their exams. I did have a smile on my face and a belief that my students would definitely mark a nail on this day and get the authorities rethink about them. The day came up on the third day. We all the trainers together planned that the entire program will be into culturals, but it will be purely in an English mode, starting from the MC till the vote of thanks. We did have the division A and B students performing, and it was then the turn of my students to perform. I still remember the moment a girl from my batch got onto the platform. She was literally shivering. I could find her, the fear she was having to face the entire crowd. Holding the mic, I could find her throat was dry. The only thing which I felt I should do is to come close to her, stand in front of her, and let her know that it was quite okay. Just go ahead and do it. And she did speak. She was having tear in her eyes because she was so much tensed, but she spoke so well that by the end, when she said a thank you, the entire crowd applauds for her, and she ran towards me. She held me tight and just said one thing: "Ma'am, thank you so much for gifting me this moment in my life. I would never ever forget this." I was also overwhelmed by this act, but then I had to control as I was a trainer there. And after one or two people, I had my another boy who was again so energetic, but was really doubtful about his his performance. Especially, he was a person who had a dark complexion, and he was being tagged by the people around as a dark boy. But the most surprising thing which I had is that the topic which he chose to speak about was about beauty. And one thing which strike me is that he said his mother has always told him that it doesn't matter you're black, you are so beautiful. I mean, like, you're so handsome. And the one line which I would like to tell what he said is that never ever judge a person with their external appearance. Get into their internal beauty and understand that they are superb. And I didn't have any words at all when everyone together got up and applaud him, especially the entire school. He just told me that that was the first time in his school life that he was being appreciated for doing such an act there. But another one which I think was an eye-opener for the entire school was also when he thanked his best friend who was from Division A for helping him to perform this. He said that they were the best friends, but as the category came up in between the students, those who study really well, and the others, those who are being considered as poor students, they were being separated, but they still maintained their friendship to be continued in the best way. So I was so happy to hear that a student from the A division has helped my student to take up this topic and speak about that. I was so happy because it was one of the best moment of my moment in my life as a trainer. But later on, this particular school has not invited me for any sessions, but it doesn't bother me at all about that. What bothers me here is that isn't it time for people to stop judging students according to their scores? Isn't it people time for the others to stop judging the little ones with their complexion or how studious they are? Isn't it time for us to encourage these students, those who really want to explore their life, even though they do it so slowly, but they make some progress? So quickly think about it and start encouraging others. Thank you so much.